Hello and welcome back to VA Wonder. My name is Liesel, your virtual assistant and Canva enthusiast. Would you like to turn any font or image into a sticker in Canva? In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create this fun professional sticker effect, perfect for social media posts, product images, Etsy shops, and more. Open a new design in Canva. You can use any size. I'm using YouTube thumbnail size, but this works on Instagram posts, product listings, or even printable sticker sheets. Start by typing your word. Bold fonts work best for this effect. I love using Anton, Leek Spartan, or Bebas New for thick sticker style lettering. For this example, I'm going to skip the solid colors and move down to the gradient color options for extra serving of fun. Let's change the background to get some contrast. Now select your text and go to Effects, then Outline. Set the color to white and increase the thickness to how thick you would like your white sticker border to be. Zoom in. If you see a gap in your text after you've added the border, simply press C for circle, update the color to white, stretch it over the open text area, and then send it to back. Now group the text and the circle layer together. You might have to repeat this if you've got different gaps in your word. At the moment, you can't add more than one effect to a font in Canva, so download your text as a PNG with a see-through background. If you don't have Canva Pro, download your image, make sure that your background is a nice high contrast color, then upload your PNG to remove.bg to remove the background, download it, and let's get back to Canva. Canva will see the text that you just downloaded now as an image. Upload this image via the Uploads tab or paste it onto your canvas. Click on your image to select it. Go to Edit, Effects, Shadows, choose Glow, and now you can update the blur, the size, the color, and the intensity to give that final polish to your sticker effect. To create the sticker effect for images, we will choose our image, graphic or photo from the Canva library or upload an own image. I will show you how both work. For an image or graphic without a background, simply go to Edit, then choose Shadows, Outline. Choose white as your color and increase the thickness of the outline for your sticker effect. Now download this image as a PNG with a transparent background, as we've done with the text example. For an image with a background, first remove the background with the Background Remover tool. Download as a PNG with a transparent background. Delete your original image. And upload your penguin without the background. Go to Edit, Shadows, Outline. Choose white as your color and increase the thickness of the outline for your sticker effect. Now download this image again as a PNG with a transparent background as we've done with the text example. Let's upload our two penguins with their white borders to our page and quickly resize them. Select Penguin 1 and then go to Edit, Effects, Shadow and choose Glow. Adjust the size, blur, color and intensity. To add the same glow effect to Penguin 2, simply select Penguin 1. Click on the little roller brush icon to copy the same style and then hover over Penguin 2 and click. Once your stickers are ready, arrange them however you like. This effect is amazing for YouTube tutorials, Instagram posts, product mockups, and branding. If you love this effect, hit like and subscribe for more Canva tricks every week and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want next. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.